Hey, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. I am trying to hit 200 subscribers before my birthday, which is in August. So I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. And also, if you do end up liking this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that as well. I'm sorry if I go like in and out of focus because my camera just has a mind of its own, and yeah, I can't really do anything about it, so sorry in advance. Anyway, so I saw this look that Alexandra and Anele created. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name right. If I'm not, I'm really sorry. But yeah, I saw this look that she created and she posted it on Instagram, and it was so like, it's so pretty. It's so like artistic. It's so I feel like she creates like the one of the best makeup eye looks in the like YouTube gurus. I feel like she does amazing eye looks. If you don't know who she is, I'm pretty sure you do, but if you don't know, check her Instagram page out. Actually, let me show you the look that I'm gonna recreate or try to recreate. um that's it right there. You can see me. I'm so sorry. But that's her Instagram, and that is the look that I am going to try to recreate. I'm not sure if that's going to focus. But I took a screenshot because she posted on Instagram, or sorry, on YouTube, a tutorial on this look last night, just last night. And I took a screenshot of like a close-up on her eye. So this is it right there. And I think that is just so amazing. Like, it's so pretty. And you know me, I love my colors. So when I saw this look, I got like so excited, and I really want to try to recreate it. Of course, I don't have the products that she has. That she used on this video, but I will try my best and recreate it with the products that I have on hand. So, without further ado, let's get on to this eye look. Alright, so I already primed my lids. I used the Essence Work Eye Primer. Really enjoying this primer. I used to use concealer, but that doesn't work for me anymore. I think it's because like my skin is changing or whatever. So I decided to pick up an eyeshadow primer, and that one actually really works. It works well and it's affordable. So I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe, the original palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's work on the crease part first, because I think that's gonna, if I put this on first, it probably like mess up my crease work. So I am gonna try and think what shade I'll use for the crease. So I'm gonna use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm gonna take the shade My Man, so this one, just on a fluffy brush, and that's what I'm gonna put on the crease. Cause I mean, she didn't cut her crease. I watched her tutorial. She didn't do that, but I think I might need to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on the crease, tap off the excess. So this is the first time I'm recreating a YouTube guru makeup look. I'm a little bit nervous about it because of course I want to do justice to the look, and Alex is so amazing with her eye looks, so I really hope that I can execute this well. So again, just very lightly blending that. She did pull her eyeshadow out like right here. I'm used to just, rounding it up and pulling it out later on, but I think I'm gonna just start pulling it up, swooping it up rather, over here on the end, because that's what she did with her eye look. And I'm so glad I didn't do my base yet, because I don't have to be, super precise with my application. It's okay if I go all the way out here, because I can clean that up later. So we have that going on now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the first Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and this shade right here, and that's what I'm gonna pack on the outer and inner corners. And hopefully, I don't think I mean, I'm not gonna cut my crease. I thought I was. I thought I needed to, but I'm not. I'm just gonna try my best to separate those two colors. I should have been a little more precise, like with the crease part here, but that's okay. I think this is still gonna work. Okay, on my inner corner. I don't like to fuss with my inner corner as much because my eyes get super watery. They're quite sensitive. So when I'm like dealing with my inner corner, I try to like very softly place the eyeshadow there so I don't irritate my eye. Okay, so we have something like this. It's a bit scary, I know, but I think it'll come together. So I'm gonna take this ColourPop Supernova shadow. This is in the shade Dragon. So they've had, I mean, I've had this for quite a long time now, and I swatched it on the back of my hand, and it still looks okay. But I don't even think they still make this. So, but I'm gonna try and put that in the inner, or not the inner, the center of my lid. Now these get a little chunky or unblendable. So right when I get to the edge, I just like with a very light hand use the applicator to blend it a bit. So that's what we have so far. I'm just gonna keep at it and let's see what happens in the end. But right now, if you ask me, I am not liking this. But I'm gonna keep at it. Let me just add a bit more right there. Okay, so she used a what's this? An orange eyeliner for the crease part, which I don't have, but I do have like my water activated liners, so I'm gonna try that. Okay, so I have my orange water activated liner. Again, this is from Hue Obsessions. I posted a first impression video, which was my recent video, the one before this. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. So I am gonna try and do that line using this. She used it like what did she use? Like a liquid eyeliner thing pen, but again, I don't have that. So of course, I'm gonna stay quiet for this, so bear with me. So this is what we have going on so far. I think I'm just gonna leave it at this for now, and then I'll do my base off of camera and come back to you, and let's try and see how this look is gonna turn out. So I'll be back in a bit. So when I look at the picture, I know that she has like that white liner accent going on right there, and also in the inner corner. And I do have a water activated white liner, but I swatched it in the back of my hand, and I know it's not going to be opaque, as you can see right there. So I'm not even going to try to do that because I'm afraid I'm just going to mess up this look. So we're going to pass on that white liner part. But I was thinking maybe I should like put another color liner just to give it a little something something. But I'm so scared that I'm gonna ruin this look. let's just give it a try. So I'm gonna try this with the purple water activated liner. This one is called Hood Witch. Again, it's from the same brand. So I'm just gonna saturate my brush in there. I'm so nervous that this might like ruin everything. I mean, it's not like I'm doing an amazing job at recreating this look, but you know, I'm so scared it might ruin everything even more. But that's what we're here for, right? Let's just play. Okay, so I'm gonna go underneath this orange line we have going on. That's not that bad. I might need to thicken up that um what's this? The orange line, but it's not that bad. And I did like go past that orange. I just thought that might look a little nice. So, what do you guys think? I'll just do the other one off of camera. I'll be back. Okay, so this is what we have going on so far. I think I like that purple accent on the end of the wing. I think it added like a little character to the look. So I'm gonna work on the lower lash line now, taking the shade, the same that we used on the lid. And on my pencil brush, I am just gonna smudge that underneath. I don't usually put eyeshadow under here, but for the sake of this look, I will. I just don't like the feeling of having powder eyeshadow like in a fly in my eye. So I'm trying to, instead of what's this, buff it under my eye, I'm trying to make like pat it on so I don't get as much eyeshadow in my eyeball. And then I'm gonna tap off the excess off my brush, and then I'm gonna blend it. Okay, so she had like this, I don't know how to explain it, like a mustardy eyeshadow like right in here. So I'm gonna take this and hopefully it'll work. I think that'll do it. So because we're not putting like the inner corner part, I'm just gonna put some highlight in my inner corner. Now I have these two shades here from the Jaclyn Hill, the first palette, and I just always use those two shades to highlight. So I don't know if you can tell, but one is more silvery and one is a little bit more gold. So because this look like has that gold in the center of the eye, I'm going to use like the goldy one. So that's this one right here. I did already wipe my brush off. Same, using the same brush because I'm lazy with washing my brushes. And just popping that in my inner corner. Okay, so I want that yellow part to stand out more. I'm thinking I might take a different shade, but I don't know what yet. Maybe I should mix No Joke into that like mustardy yellowy shade. Let's try that. So I'm taking some of No Joke and dipping it into that first shade. And let's see, where's my mirror? Let's see if this will work. Tapping off the excess. Yeah, I think that did it. Okay, so now we're all finished with the eyes. I just finished them off of camera. I added some lashes as per usual, and some tight lining on my upper waterline. Now I'm going to use the Becca Jaclyn Hill highlighter. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector. It's the split pan one. It's been in my collection for so long. I heard that Becca didn't, yeah, I shattered the highlight. I heard that Becca didn't survive the pandemic and they're gonna like go off of business, I think around September of this year, 2021. So that makes me pretty sad because I mean they have amazing products. So that's definitely some sad news, and I will forever, I mean I do cherish this highlight and this blush duo because I bought it with the money that I actually saved because I wanted it so bad. So yeah, I'm forever gonna treasure this product. But I really do hope that, you know, something happens. Maybe someone will save the company and buy the company, and so that Becca can still be with us. But yeah, that's just some sad news. So I'm gonna put some highlight on. And I'm gonna go a bit extreme on the highlight um, because I think the eye look deserves that. So just putting this on. If you guys don't know that Becca is going to say bye in September, now you do, and it's really bad news. So I decided to use this highlight um, because I'm just really sad about it, and I love their products, although again I only have this one, but I've always wanted to buy more of their products. It's just that, you know, they're quite pricey, so I haven't had the chance to do that. But yeah, I absolutely love this highlight. That's why I don't use it that much, because I want to treasure it and keep it in my collection for as long as possible. So I'm going to use the blush. I can't tilt it over, so this blush here, just going to pop that very lightly just in this back portion. I don't want too much on the apples of my cheeks, just back here where I usually put my bronzer. And also the reason why I bought this is because I'm a big, huge fan of Jaclyn Hill. As you can see, I have both her palettes, and I'm just a fan of her until now. With everything that she went through, I am still a huge fan of her. Um, yeah, so that's why I bought this. And again, will forever treasure. So I decided to go with just a gloss on the lips since we have a lot going on in the eyes. So this is the ColourPop Hello Kitty Collab Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade KT. So it's just like a clear gloss with some gold glitter particles. So I'm just gonna place that. Just so we have something on the lip. But I really wanted to keep the focus on the eyes. And there's a lot of focus on the eyes. And this is the finished look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me recreate Alex's look that she posted on Instagram and on YouTube. If you don't know, again, who she is, I'll leave her link below. And let me know what you guys think in the comment. Like, did I do okay? Did I do the look justice? Do you like how it turned out? Let me know. I'm really curious. But personally, I think with what makeup that I had in my collection, I think I did pretty well. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button. I would so, so appreciate that as well. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!